So the idea is to get the water to go over the top of the aqua blocks as opposed to going through them. Let me show you what the problem is. Aqua blocks displace water, and if we don't block the flow of water, then the water's just going to flow right through the sides, and it's not going to go over the top and down as it's intended to with an intake bay. One step is the idea of blocking the flow with underlayment and then backfilling. Now this works, okay? It does work, but the problem is that water's going to find its own way.